Welcome to Olive Academy, where we master biology with ease.
Hello, young biologists. Welcome back to Olive Academy. Today we'll be looking at the topic organization of life. It is the existence of life from a single-celled organism to a multicellular organism with complex forms that perform different functions. Do you understand? An organism that has one cell is called unicellular organism, while an organism that has many cells is called multicellular organisms. There are 9 levels of organization of life. They include A. Cell, B. Tissue, C. Organ, D. System, E. Organism, F. Population, G. Community, H. Ecosystem, I. Biosphere. Hope you have your writing materials. Let's go. Cell, it is the smallest unit of an organism. You have organisms that exist at cell level, as in at this level, they carry out life processes. Example, amoeba, euglena, paramecium, and so many of them. The first picture you have here is animal cell, while the other one is amoeba. Example of cells in higher plants is phloem cells, xylem cells, while example of plants in animal is red blood cell, white blood cell. Second level tissue. They are a group of similar cells that perform a specific functions. We have organisms that exist at tissue level like hydra, egg, sponges. Example of tissues in higher plants are parenchyma, parenchyma, or example of tissues in higher animal are muscles, bone, and blood. Hope you understand. Drop your questions in the comment section. Organs are a group of tissues that work together to perform a specific function. You have kidney, heart, skin. These are examples of organs in animal. Example of organs in plants are roots, stems, and bulb. Do you understand? So let's move to system. They are a group of organs that work together to perform a specific function. Example of system in animals are digestive, excretive system, while that of plants are root and root system. The fifth level is organism, that is you, dog, fish, cats, name them, okay? Organisms are complete living individuals that can carry out basic life processes. So as you are now, you are an organism, okay? You are an animal. Some of you find it insulting when someone call you an animal. Of course you're an animal, or are you a plant? Population is a group of organisms of the same species living together in a particular area at a given time. The key word here is species. They must be of the same species. Okay? Let's say a population of a cow in your village, in your place. Let's say Sambisa Forest in 1 year. Okay? How many of you are from Sambisa Forest? Community. It is a group of different population of organisms living together and interacting in the same environment. The keyword here is what? Different population. Different population, okay? The 8th level is the ecosystem. It is a community of living organisms functioning together with their non-living environment, okay? Do you understand? At this level, it involves both living and non-living, okay? Biosphere. This is the last level of organization of life. This is the level, or this is the zone of Earth where you can see living organisms. So let's quickly go through what we have learned, okay? We have 9 levels of organization. Let's go through it together. Cell, from cell you have tissue. From tissue you have organ. Organ to system. System to organism. Organism to population. Population to community. Community, ecosystem, and biosphere. Great if you got it. Question time. So, list the levels of organization of life in organism. So for this question, you have to stop at organism. So you have, based on this question, you have 4 levels in organism. They're limiting you to organism. So you have your cell, tissue, organ, and system. So we have come to the end of this lesson. Do you enjoy the class? I want to know your favorite system in the body. Drop it in the comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your classmates. Shy.